Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, how are you and welcome back to this channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this enhanced popcorn flowers for keychains or for flash stripes holder like this. To make this pattern, I'll be using two different colors of polyester yarns and a 2.20mm crochet hook from TULIP. Firstly, make a magic circle and one chain. This one chain is turning up, so it's not counted as the first single crochet. Then make 8 single crochets in a magic circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, this is the last one, 8. Then pull the ends to close the magic circle. Okay, after closing the magic circle, make a slip stitch on the first single crochet using a new yarn. Get the new yarn and pull it through the loops and the hook. Okay, done. Then make 3 chains. These 3 chains are considered as the first double crochet. I will start the new pattern. Make 4 more double crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then form the popcorn pattern by inserting the hook on the third of the 3 chains. Then grabs the working loop and pull it through the chain. Pull it through this chain stitch. Okay, this is the first popcorn stitch. After that, make 2 chains. 1, 2. Then make another popcorn stitch in the next 1 stitch. This second popcorn stitch is made of 5 irregular double crochet. 2, 3, 4, this is the last one, and 5. Then repeat the previous step. Insert the hook on the first double crochet and grab the working loop to form the popcorn stitch. Insert the hook here, then grab this working loop and pull it through the stitch. Okay, the second popcorn stitch is done. Then make 2 chains. Make another one. Go to the next 1 stitch and make 5 regular double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the last one, 5. Okay, then form the popcorn stitch again, insert the hook into the first double crochet, grab this working loop and pull it through the stitch. Make 2 chains. Repeat this step until you get 8 popcorn stitches. Okay, I've made 8 popcorn stitches. Now, I will find the third of the 3 chains which were made at the beginning of this round. This one, insert the hook here, then grab the yarn and pull it through the loops. Okay, perfect. Then move to the first 2 chain space, insert the hook here and make another slip stitch. Then make 3 chains. These 3 chains are considered as the first double crochet. Make 2 more double crochet, 2 first irregular double crochet. After that, this is the modified version of the popcorn stitch. Make 3 chains, the picot stitch, insert the hook here to form a picot stitch. Then grab the working yarn and pull it through the loops. Okay, then make 2 more double crochets. 1, 2. There are also 5 double crochets in this and these 2 chain space including these 3 chains. Then from the popcorn stitch by inserting the hook on the third of the 3 chains, then grab the working loop and pull it through this stitch. Okay, done. This is the enhanced form of the popcorn stitch. Then make 2 chains, repeat the step, make 5 double crochet in the same space. Firstly, make 3 first double crochets. 1, this is 2, and this one, the third one. Then make 3 chains to form a picot stitch. 1, 2, 3. Then insert the hook here and make a slip stitch. Okay, done. Make 2 more double crochets in the same space. 1, and this one is the last one. 2. Okay, then form the popcorn stitch by inserting the hook on the first double crochet, then grab the working loops. Insert the hook here, then grab these working loops. Pull it through this stitch. It's quite challenging. Okay, done. The popcorn stitch looks more obvious and more enchanted. Then make 2 chains. 1, 2, go to the next 2 chain space. Here with this, make first 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Then 3 chains on the third double crochet. Then make a picot stitch, insert the hook here. Then grab the working yarn and pull it through the loops. Okay, done. Then make 2 more double crochets. 1, 2. Then form the popcorn stitch by inserting the hook on the first double crochet, then grab the working loop like this, then pull it through the stitch. Okay. Make another popcorn stitch in the same space. Start with 2 chains. 1, 2. Okay, make first 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Then 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Make a picot stitch here. Insert the hook into this stitch, then grab the working thread and complete the picot stitch. Make 2 more double crochets. 1, 2. Then form the popcorn stitch by inserting the hook on the first double crochet, then grab the working loop. Insert the hook here, then grab this working loop to complete the popcorn stitch. Repeat this step. Make 2 popcorn stitch in each of the 2 chain spaces. Finally, we'll have 16 popcorn stitch in total. Okay, I have made 16 popcorn stitch in total. This is the last popcorn stitch, and I have also made 2 chains. Finally, I will insert the hook here to make a slip stitch. This is the last slip stitch to end the main pattern. Okay, done. For the final part, I will make 40 chains. Okay, done. Then I will find the stitch where I start the chains. I will insert the hook here to make the last slip stitch. Okay, done. Then I will cut the yarn. Okay, perfect. Then I will hide this yarn tail inside the body of the main pattern using the pass spray needle. Okay everyone, the modified version of the popcorn ball is all ready, and this is what it looks like. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you get something from this tutorial. See you again on the next video. Have a good day and happy crochet!